Welcome back! Another week, another vlog, and boy, are you in a treat for today. In this episode, I will share with you 5 life lessons that I learned probably the hard way in my 5 years of marriage. Ano yung mga bagay na natutunan ko sa 5 taong ko ng pagiging kasal pala. And also, I'll give also a sneak peek on the celebration that my wife and I will have as we celebrate another milestone in our life, 5 years of marriage. So stick around. I really hope that you grab a blessing out of watching this video, and I really appreciate you journeying with me through life this week. I got 2 coffee because I know this day is going to be intense. Very intense. Tatakas ko lang to dahil sobra talagang busy ko today. Pero I would like to point out that first thing, probably ito yung pinaka-importante sa lahat. That you are married not to make you happy, but for you to be holy. Sa buhay mag-asawa, hindi naman talaga madalas na masaya. Madalas nga, mas masakit, madalas mas mahirap, madalas struggle. Pero sa end ng buhay mo, hindi naman tatanungin ni Lord sa'yo kung gaano ka naging masaya, pero kung gaano ka nagmahal. And being married to your spouse and managing your marriage is your ticket to heaven. It has been a very, very challenging day, and I'm not yet done, to be honest, because I have lots of things to do pa. But I'm very much eager to finish, so I'm just taking a stretch break. It was a roller coaster of a day, definitely lots of emotion, and medyo drained na ako physically, mentally, and emotionally, and I just wanted to take the break that I desperately needed. Bukas naman I will be off, pero dahil nga mawawala ko ng 2 araw, it added to the mental stress because there are a lot of pending stuff that I will be leaving and pending in a way. But it's part of life. I needed to focus on my health and myself and my marriage and with my wife. And talking about learning stuff from 5 years of marriage. One of the things that I probably learned the hard way during my 5 years of marriage is that your marriage is a cross. The perfect image of this cross is in the movie Passion of Christ. When Jesus was given his cross, he embraced it, he kissed it, he loved it. And even though this object is meant to torment him, it is for the love of his spouse, the church, that he needs to endure it. Because, as he said, in order for you to follow Jesus, you need to pick up your cross daily. And this gives emphasis on the reason why your marriage is your ticket to heaven. That moment of taking up the cross was reminded to me nung binisita namin ng Kalarwega during our anniversary. Sobrang special talaga ng place na ito sa amin. Fathers, grant us, O Lord, to be one heart and one soul, one mind and one body, as we celebrate our union with you
you as the center of it all. We make this solemn promise from this day forward, whether for worse, in gratitude and love for all the things that we are and will be in our finances and businesses, in our relationships and community, in our services and missions, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, always for your greater glory, in sickness and in health, until death do us part. Amen.
Saint Joseph, okay.
Lady Miraculous Meta, Saint Catherine Labor, pray for us.
Sira yung mismo kasal natin?
Kaskas siya.
Sira.
Yung makita, pero yung ganun, wedge kasi siya eh.
Paakyat pala?
Kami doon anak.
Bakit?
Bakit doon, yung wedding.
And hindi ito magiging official trip to Tagaytay and another anniversary celebration without going to our favorite restaurant in the world, Charitos. Thank you, Charito of Bag of Beans, for the years that we spent in your place. You are the gold standard of dining for us because the food is amazing, the ambience is amazing, the service is amazing, and talagang babalik at babalikan namin ito. Tagaytay is not Tagaytay without you guys.
Ako na, busog na ako.
So, Mami, ang topic for this week ay tungkol sa atin because it's our anniversary. Happy anniversary, Mami. Question. Because marriage is a representation of the cross of Christ. Ang question ko sa'yo, kung ako yung cross mo, gaano kabigat? Mabigat ba akong dalhin, Mami?
Literally or figuratively.
Both. Sagutin mo na.
Ano ba yan? I'm eating. Yes.
Oo, dapat mabigat kasi cross nga eh.
Oo nga eh. Mabigat kayo, overweight tayo eh. Mabigat ako, di ba?
Hindi naman, okay ka lang.
No. Actually, yes, in a way. Pero, with God, everything's afloat, I think.
Yes, yun nga.
Pero pag tayo lang, I think mas sobrang bigat niya. But with prayers, and with constant faith, and choosing to love and forgive each other, it becomes lighter. So, yeah.
Agree.
Yeah.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary!
Ayun. Ganda naman rito. Look at that. Yeah. Of course, the usual, we've had an amazing time at Charitos, but this celebration of our anniversary, we chose to go for a relaxing time together. So we're going to Nurture Village here in Tagaytay. Nice here. It's very
weird.
very naturey. Like it here, man. This is my first time. Finally, after kailan ba tayo 2016. 2016 pa lang gusto ko nang ma-try dito mag-stay, magpamasahe. Ewan ko, parang napaka-comforting lang niya. Oo, tayo pa lang, hindi pa tayo kasal nun. Bago pa lang tayo, really wanted for us to experience massage here, ganon. Di pa kaya ng pondo. And then, nag-check rin tayo rito sa wedding, kung kaya natin. Mahal nga lang dito talaga. Pero layo rin ito sa Calarwega. Let's go. you po.
Sir, dadaanin na lang po namin yung sarong sa kwarto niyo po.
Ah, sige po. Thank you po. Yes, yes, yes.
Lamig, babe.
YouTube ka ba dyan?
Where there is love, there is no suffering. And where there is suffering, that suffering is loved.
Morning.
Morning.
Lamig pala. Oo nga, nalimutan ko. Tagaytay pala to. Good morning. This is our first morning here at Nurture Wellness Village. Ang matagal ko nang pinapangarap na ma-experience at worth it naman ang paghihintay. Dahil sarap talaga ng masahe. Kaso pagising mo para kang binugbog. Ang saya. Sarap experience. Thank you. Nasa pang third day na ako. So, pangatlong lesson na natutunan ko out of 5 years of marriage with you. Celebrate clarity. Oh, fresh. Mami, ang ganda nung ginawa nila. Na facial kagabi. There are a lot of confusion in the world, and celebrating clarity just means if clear sa'yo na sa heaven ka pupunta and clear sa'yo na marriage mo ang magpapapunta sa'yo doon, there shouldn't be any confusions in the world that would stop you, and lahat ng decision mo ay nakatuon sa marriage mo. Happy ka naman?
Happy ka ba?
Happy, super.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yes!
When I was single a few years back, I've had some confusions and challenges na ano ba talagang purpose ko sa buhay? Ano nga ba ang dapat kong gawin? Ano yung mga need kong bigyan ng focus? Those confusions really stressed me out when I was single. But now, since everything is clear, everything has a direction, everything is mandated already, ang dali na lang gumawa ng desisyon dahil lahat ng desisyon ko ay meant na mag-grow sa aming relationship. And pinagpapasalamat namin at pinagpapasalamat ko sa Diyos yun ng malaki. Na.
Masyado. Saan?
Wala, tanong natin si Tito Doc.
Yan, hindi naman ako.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa simbahan dahil kami ay magnininong-ninang ni Kina for Bea for her confirmation for her kumpil. And this is just a wonderful day. Parang sign of aging na rin na nagnininong-ninong na kami rito. Kailan kaya ang kasal? Yun ang magtinding test. Today, I'd like to discuss one of the lessons that I've learned from 5 years of marriage, and that kung kahapon it was celebrate clarity. Medyo kadugtong to nung lesson na yon. Today I want to discuss embracing clarity. This just means being clear with the communication with your spouse. Clear ka dapat sa demands, sa expectations, sa likes, sa dislikes, sa mga gusto mong gawin, gusto mong sabihin. Minsan nagiging blurred out yan because of compromise, because hindi mo alam kung paano express, but this is something that you need to have and learn as you go through marriage. Wala nang nililigaw sa'yo pa. Ay, marami pala.
Marami nga, tumigil na nga eh.
Sobrang late namin, sorry.
It's okay! Walang kaso
Dali pa
yung...
kami kumpil eh.
Kaya nga eh.
Ba't tayo nakaputi?
Oo nga, nakaputi tayo ate.
Hindi nagkakasal.
Pero kami nakaputi.
Saan tayo?
Diretso lang.
Ay.
Afternoon!
Welcome to your vlog.
Great meeting you! Finally! Masyadong malapit ah.
Si Rex.
Oh, yeah.
Oo nga eh.
Person yung person na tayo.
Oo!
First time. Nauna ko pa naman yung vlog niya eh.
Ito ba?
I am just so grateful to have a group of guy friends who I'm able to talk to and to journey with, because sometimes clarity and communication doesn't come easily with us dahil una hindi naman na-recognize yung feelings, hindi namin alam kung paano express yung sarili namin, and through this kind of communication we built upon a good way of knowing what we need to feel.
Di nasagot? Di nasabi? O di ba may kaibigan na sila?
Si Rhea. Ay, Sabi ni...
Rhea pala yun.
Sabi ni Rex, tira niyo may bago silang friend.
Si Rhea pala, naman nagsasabi. Marumi ba yan?
Disney princess ko to. Sabi ni Rhea.
Elsa?
Disney princess ko.
Pang-apat na yun lang. O 5. Grabe dito.
Sarap ka sa lulit, no?
Hindi na.
Hindi na?
Okay na yan.
Iniwan ko sa asawa ko yung bag ko. I'm sorry. Asama siya.
Tara, kainin tayo.
Naramdaman ko bigla. Naiihi ako bigla. Pwede bang umihi muna saglit?
Kaya bang hihiyan na lang?
Sige.
Kumuha natin. Pero sabi kahit sino pala pwedeng kumuha doon.
Oo. Ano na lang.
Kapa na lang.
Tiwala ka na lang kay Lord.
If you can show me your do not wait for tomorrow. For tomorrow may never come. Ulitin ko, samantalahin natin ang pagkakataon.
Forest Frank.
Uy, Forrest Frank, let's go!
Bababa ka ba?
Okay lang yan. Basta Ay! Ito pala yung bag na to. Ganda ng ano?
Tawag si dad kung alam mo saan ako nakatingin sa shoes.
start another day. Probably the last lesson that I wanted to share with you. The lessons that I learned in the 5 years of marriage is you are not alone. And I'll just dig deeper on that throughout the day as we go about a day of service.
You cannot do it alone, to be honest. You cannot do it with you yourself. You can do it with you and your spouse. You need God at the center of your marriage because it's a three-pronged approach. It needs to have one more person to really solidify your marriage. At hindi kayo iiwan ni Lord for sure.
Today we're trying a different service and we are hoping na we're trying another kind of service in the service of the people. It's taking care of the people we're serving, and medyo nangangapa-ngapa pa kami, to be honest, and it could have been easier if only hindi masama pakiramdam ko. So yeah, what a challenge for today.
Sobrang blessing na rin dahil God also sent a lot of friends and families and people who really care about you para hindi kayo mag-isa sa journey. You cannot do it alone. And you have a community and friends and families that will support you, that will help you, that will show you the right way, that will journey with you through life. And that is amazing.
Yung ending ng lahat ng ito, nakasulat na. Tapos na. And what is that ending? That God wins. At the end of all this, we are sure, without any shadow of doubt, that God comes out victorious. That goodness will prevail. That justice, peace, joy, yun na lang ang matitira. And all evil, all shadows, all darkness will cease to exist. That is what we are looking forward to. And that ending, that future coming, gives us the gift of hope. Ano ba yung hope? In the simplest terms, it is believing in a happy ending. Hope is the belief that after everything, all will be well.
Great to finally meet you. Buti na dito silang dalawa. Nakahabol kayo. Good job. Uy, kami na rito. Uy! And having said that, hindi kayo mag-iisa or you are not alone in this, I'd like to emphasize that you also have the community that will support you and help you through your marriage. And as for me and my wife, we are just so grateful that we are part of the feasts, more specifically Feast Bay City here in Pasay, and I'm just so blessed that we're able to serve together, we're able to be supported and loved by common people who also has the same struggles, also had the same wisdom that we need, and we're just so grateful to be journeying with other couples as well. Hindi siya madali mag-isa, pero hindi ka naman mag-iisa.